billy bum. Yes I know, yes I know. Escape from life is not a simple thing. Takes you behind when you least accept it. And when you're rolling down the street, someone will tell you life is sweet. I don't understand, how could you be happy? You rebel, you the head, then you wear is smiling. With only a guitar and a split to lighting. You don't ever work, but your body's steady. Tell me why you're happy. Tell me why you're happy. Tell me why you're happy. Yes, you tell me once again.
You're mine. I'm gonna tell you tonight. Have you make it from please?
Come closer, tell me.
Oh, thank you, my brother. I need some drum and bass, please. Ah, okay.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, drum and bass. Sounds good. Okay, let's check it. I'm so glad cause the rising sun. Escape from police is a healthy one. Smoke on my air with my sister Dan. She said, Mr. Gamble, what is that? I don't need no money for my happiness. If you need a help, say yes, yes, yes. I'm so proud of what I am. If you don't like it, stay with your help.
So you say, you really say so?
Yeah, man.
Come here. Sadness. Yes, me ask you why, yeah, why I feel like an aimless. Let me tell you this, yeah. Where is my soul? Can you tell me? Tell me.
What?
Yes, you tell me.
You could be happy?
Yeah, tell me.
Okay, I'm gonna tell you. Well,
you know that curiosity of the happiness and mystical lightness of mind. So let your spirit get high.
do it. The summer?
Ok, Marghera, era l'ultimo pezzo. Vi chiediamo un ultimo sforzo di battere le mani a tempo con noi appena vi dà l'ok. Il drama, ready?